In the next 10 years, nearly half of all jobs on Earth could disappear, not because of war, not because of recession, but because of artificial intelligence. Right now, companies like OpenAI, Google, and Microsoft are building machines that can think, create, and work faster than humans. And the scariest part? Many people don't even realize it's already happening. A few years ago, AI could barely answer simple questions. But today, tools like ChatGPT can write essays, create marketing campaigns, generate code, and even help doctors diagnose diseases. In fact, many companies have already replaced entire teams with AI software. And this change is happening faster than any technology in human history. But AI doesn't replace every job at once. It starts with jobs that are repetitive and predictable. Jobs like data entry, customer support, basic accounting, content writing. Imagine calling customer service. But instead of a human, you're talking to a machine that understands your problem instantly and never gets tired. Now imagine something even bigger. Driving. Millions of people around the world work as drivers, but companies like Tesla are already developing self-driving cars the moment autonomous vehicles become normal. Taxi drivers, truck drivers, delivery drivers could disappear faster than anyone expects. But here's the twist most people don't understand. AI is not just replacing low-skill jobs, it's starting to replace high-skill jobs too. AI can already write computer code, design graphics, analyze legal documents, create music and videos. Even programmers are now using AI tools to write their code. But there is one thing AI still struggles to understand: humans. Jobs that require empathy, creativity, and emotional intelligence will survive. Jobs like doctors, psychologists, teachers, entrepreneurs, artists. Because machines can process information, but they still don't fully understand human emotions. Every technology revolution destroys jobs, but it also creates new ones. The internet created jobs like YouTubers, app developers, and digital marketers. AI is now creating entirely new careers like AI engineers, prompt engineers, AI trainers, automation experts. The people who succeed in the future won't fight AI. They'll learn how to use it. The future won't belong to humans alone, and it won't belong to machines either. The real winners will be the people who learn how to work with AI instead of competing against it.